Imagine this. You walk into an exam hall. The teacher hands you a question paper, but half of the questions are missing. Only the first page is given, and the rest is hidden. How would you feel? Confused? Frustrated? Cheated? Now, think about another example. You go to a restaurant with friends. At the end, the waiter brings you a bill. But instead of the full bill, he only shows you a part of it. He hides some items. Maybe you've been charged for extra dishes you never ate. If you can't see the full bill, how do you know what you're really paying for? These situations feel unfair because important information is missing. Without access to the complete picture, you cannot trust the system. This is exactly the problem blockchains face. They need a way to make sure all the data is available, open for everyone to see, check, and verify. Without this, the entire blockchain could fall apart. Today, in Lecture 39, we're going to talk about blockchain data availability and security. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. By the end, you'll understand what data availability really means, why it matters so much, and how blockchains are solving this challenge. What is data availability? Let's start with a clear definition. In very simple words, data availability means making sure all the information needed to check blockchain transactions is open and accessible to everyone. Think of it like this. If you're paying a bill at a restaurant, you want to see every single item, drinks, food, dessert, before you pay. If even one item is hidden, you could be overcharged. In blockchain, every transaction and block has data. If all of that data isn't visible, then people can't be sure the system is honest. So, data availability is about making sure nothing is hidden. Why data availability is important. Now, why is this such a big deal? Let's imagine you're signing a contract. It looks like just 2 pages and you sign it quickly. Later, you find out there were actually 5 pages. The other 3 pages were hidden from you, and they contained unfair terms. Suddenly, you realize you've been tricked. That's what happens in blockchain if data isn't available. A malicious actor, a dishonest block producer, could hide some parts of the data. On the surface, everything looks fine. But hidden inside, there could be transactions that break the rules, steal money, or give unfair advantages. So, without data availability, the whole idea of blockchain transparency collapses. Trust is gone. Problems when data is missing. Let's make this even clearer with a story. Imagine a builder constructing a house. From the outside, the walls look strong, the paint is fresh, the design is perfect. But inside the walls, the builder has hidden weak materials, cheap wood instead of strong steel. Now the house looks safe, but it isn't. One strong storm and it could collapse. That's what happens if data is missing in blockchain. On the surface, the block looks fine. But if you can't see the full data, you don't know what's really inside. It might contain weak or malicious transactions that could break the whole system. So, missing data isn't just a small problem, it's dangerous. Solutions explained simply. Now, how do blockchains try to solve this? There are a few approaches. 1. Everyone keeps all the data. This is the simplest way. Every computer or node stores all the blockchain data. It's very safe because nothing is hidden, but it's also very heavy. Imagine if every single family member had to keep copies of all family photo albums, every birthday, every trip, every memory. Safe? Yes, but also tiring and expensive. That's the problem with storing everything. It's secure but not efficient. 2. Light clients and sampling. A lighter method is to check only some parts of the data, like reading a few random pages of a book to make sure the book is real and not fake. Or imagine checking random items on your restaurant bill. If the random checks are correct, you start trusting that the rest is fine too. 3. Data Availability Sampling, DAS. This is the modern and smarter approach. Instead of one person checking everything, many people each check random parts. It's like a classroom where students are asked to check different pages of a book. One checks page 10, another checks page 25, and another checks page 50. When all students share their results, the whole book gets verified without anyone reading all of it. This way, the burden is shared and security remains strong. That's data availability sampling in simple terms, how security and data availability work together. Now let's connect security with data availability. Imagine your house has a super strong lock. The lock is unbreakable. But what if the door itself is made of cardboard? No matter how strong the lock is, a thief could just punch through the door. This is how blockchain works too. You can have strong security systems, cryptography, consensus, validators, but if the data itself isn't available, everything is useless. True blockchain security depends on both strong rules and protections, the lock, full visibility of data, the solid door. Both are needed to keep the system trustworthy. Real-world examples. Now let's look at some real-world examples. Ethereum rollups. Ethereum is trying to scale using rollups. Rollups process transactions off-chain and then send a summary back to Ethereum. But for this to be safe, all the rollup data must still be available on Ethereum. Otherwise, users can't verify what really happened. So Ethereum's rollup strategy heavily depends on data availability. Celestia is a special blockchain project built only for one job, handling data availability. You can think of it like a storage helper for blockchains. Instead of trying to do everything, like smart contracts, payments, apps, Celestia focuses only on making sure data is available for other blockchains to use. It's like a giant library where other blockchains can safely keep their records. Challenges and trade-offs. Of course, nothing is perfect. There are always trade-offs. If everyone stores all the data, it's very safe, but very heavy and slow. If only a few store the data, it's light and fast, but risky. Think of family photos again. If every family member keeps copies of all albums, it's safe but heavy. If only one person keeps them, it's risky. What if that person loses them? So, blockchain designers are always balancing storage, speed, and decentralization. Future of data availability. Looking ahead, this area is becoming more exciting. Modular blockchains are rising, where different blockchains specialize in different jobs. Some handle execution, some handle consensus, and some, like Celestia, handle data availability. Zero-knowledge proofs, ZK proofs, are being explored to prove that data is correct without everyone seeing it. New sampling methods and protocols are being built to make checking data faster and easier. Just like the internet grew because reliable servers made websites accessible, blockchains will grow as reliable data availability systems become the norm. Conclusion. Let's wrap this up with 3 simple points. Data availability means all blockchain data must be open and accessible for everyone to verify. Without it, blockchains can be tricked, like signing a contract without seeing all the pages. Solutions like data availability sampling and projects like Celestia are paving the way for secure, scalable blockchains. So remember, for blockchain to truly succeed, it's not enough to have strong locks or smart rules. The data itself must always be available, visible, and secure. Because in the end, trust comes not just from technology, but from transparency.
EduTube, where blockchain becomes easy to understand.